Next visual effects is motion blur. In a real world, you can see in a real world when we have an object that has a motion, around that we have a blur if you see in a film animation anywhere. For seeing that, I create a shape, for example a star, and drag and drop it here, and I want to assign animation from here to there. So I will show you more about animation. Going to animation tab and go to animation, going to custom, drag and drop it there. For example, in a first frame we are here. I will show you more, don't worry, we reach to animation, and going to the next keyframe and going to there. You can see we have now an animation. Okay, nice. Make it smaller. So make sure that your animation is fast. If you increase this animation, you can see it go very slowly. So we need smaller destination. So if it's this animation take fast, we have fast animation. So if you going frame by frame, you can see we don't have any motion blur. So you have to go to visual effects and simply drag and drop motion blur on. Boom. This is a motion blur in animation. See that? This is a motion blur that you can see in your object. So it is more natural. In a real world, we have something like this. So you can simulate your motion blur on your animation to more natural. You can use the motion blur, and it's very simple. If you go to its settings, you can change intensity. So if you change intensity, you have to make sure that you are not in animation. Set it there and change intensity, and then play it. You can see we have more dance because I'm in animation mode. Change intensity, cause animation keyframe. Don't forget about that. Go somewhere here and then change intensity, more intense, and then go. We have more motion. Nice. That's it.